Got the box. So let's see what's going to happen. Easy chip. They say it's easy, so here we go. Read the instructions. Have a clean and dry surface. Okay. First put on your gloves. Okay.
Can I drop you like?
Then it says shake the bottle. Step one, okay. Dab it. Alright. One here. Okay. Oops. Okay. And it says okay. Allow it to dry for 5 minutes. Okay. Alright, so here it says, allow paint to dry for 5 to 10 minutes. Alright. So we let it dry 5 to 10 minutes. Now it says to shake the other bottle for 15 to 30 seconds. Then apply a small amount the size of a quarter onto the white cloth. Okay. There we go. Size is a quarter. Yeah, it's about a quarter. Okay, put that back. Alright, back we are. Oh my god, this stuff's amazing. Wow. It really works. Wow, that is amazing. Easy chip really does work, I gotta say. That's pretty cool. Oh. Let's see what we got here. Wow. That really works. Oh my god. Total believer. That's some good stuff there.